So we have done the position analysis. Now we have also done the velocity analysis. So here we have a 4-bar mechanism, NABC. So positions are known. Positions are known. Positions of AB, BC, and NC are known from your position analysis that we have done before, and your theta A dot is given, so you know the omega A, omega B, and omega C we have determined in our previous video. So now we will find the dependent accelerations when theta A double dot is known. So from our so how do you write the equation for velocity of BC? Sorry, acceleration of BC. Acceleration of BC is acceleration of AB. Okay, first let us determine acceleration of AB. Acceleration of AB is acceleration of NA, which is basically 0, 0, 0 plus alpha A cross position of AB minus position of NA plus omega A cross omega A cross position of AB minus position of minus position of NA. This is basically 0. Alpha A is nothing but alpha A vector is nothing but theta A double dot n3 cap. Okay, so everything is fully known. You know this, fully known. Now we have to find acceleration of BC. So acceleration of BC is acceleration of AB plus alpha B, which is not known, which is theta B double dot, cross position of BC minus position of AB plus omega B, which is known from your velocity analysis, cross omega B cross position of BC minus position of AB. This is your equation for acceleration of BC. Acceleration of BC can also be, okay, let us write down what is known. This is fully known, acceleration of AB. This is also known. All quantities in this term are fully known, and this is unknown. This is something that is not known. We know this, but we don't know the alpha. This is the one that is not known. Okay, now acceleration of BC can also be written as acceleration of NC, which is 0, plus alpha C cross position of BC minus position of NC plus omega C cross omega C cross position of BC minus position of NC. Even in this is fully known because we know our omega C from velocity analysis. This is 0, 0, so this is known. This is the quantity that is unknown. This is again known. Okay, so now if we equate these two equations for acceleration of BC, again we will get So let us simplify it. Let us call this, okay, let us write this alpha BC cross position of BC minus position of AB plus, let us call this whole thing as non B. Known B is nothing but this acceleration of AB plus omega cross PBC minus PBA. We are simplifying it by writing it as, because it's all known. Okay, on the other side you have alpha C cross PBC minus PNC plus known C. Known C is nothing but this whole omega cross PBC minus PNC and your acceleration of NC, which is nothing but 0, 0, 0. Anyway, okay, now in this, what is unknown? This is unknown and this is unknown. Everything else is known. Okay, so let us call, let us give this a name RB. Let us give this a name RC. Now let us simplify and write this equation. Now this is a good way. Okay, good. So now let us write this as alpha. Oh, why did we write alpha BC? It's supposed to be alpha B. Yeah, okay, alpha B. Okay, let's write this now. Alpha B cross RB minus alpha C cross RC is equal to known CB. Let us call this known CB now. Known C minus known B is known CB or whatever. This is fully known. Okay, now yeah, so yeah, let us write this as minus RB cross alpha B plus RC cross alpha C, okay, equal to known CB. Okay, now let us write this in the skew symmetric matrix form. Minus cross product can also be written as product of a matrix and a vector, which is 0 minus RB3 RB2 RB3 0 minus RB1 RB2 minus RB2 and RB1 and 0 multiplied by 0, 0 theta B double dot plus RC cross alpha C equal to KCB. Okay, so now in this, what is left out is minus RB2 minus RB1 0 times theta B double dot plus same for the other one, RC2 minus RC1 0 0 and theta C double dot for this is equal to KCB1 KCB2, this one 0 So now if you write this in matrix form, R B2 R C2 R B1 plus R B1 minus R C1 theta B double dot theta C double dot is equals to KCB1 KCB2. This is just a 2 by 2 matrix. This is the unknown, so you can simply invert the matrix to find theta B dependent accelerations theta C double dot. That's it.